letter H. I love the capital letter H, one of my favorites, and the lowercase for that matter. So I did 2 different styles here you can practice. As we did in an earlier letter, for the main part of this H, you could either go up with light pressure and then down with heavy pressure, or you can do that stroke first and then add that one like that. I find I get the top a little smoother when I do the downstroke first and then add the fun little swash. And this is down. Ooh, I don't like how that came out. 2-finger tap to undo, heavy, light, and we'll add our crossbar. And then the H, we're just gonna go light, heavy, first stroke. Whoop, I'm gonna redo that too. Light, heavy, and then light, heavy, light. So that's 2 separate strokes. And another way you could do that one, I'm gonna draw this one real quick, is to start back here and do that stroke like that. And then make this one a little more exaggerated. And that's just, you know, little changes like that can really add more playfulness and personality to your letters. You can come in and add another swash like that. So you can really play with those things as you're practicing just for fun. And if you add a little pressure, you can get some little teardrop ends, things like that. The slanted H, this is one of my very favorite ways to draw an H, and it's great for practice because you have a lot of that pressure change. So you start right here, light, oh, let me start again. Light, heavy, light, heavy. And then ending with that little light. Let's do that one more time because that one's a little tricky. So light, heavy, light, heavy. And you might have trouble getting your hand to reach that far because it's such a long stroke. Oops, sorry. What works really well for that is to make your page a little smaller, and then that gives you a little more wiggle room for that. So I find when I'm doing a letter with a lot more, a longer single stroke like that, I just need to make it a little smaller, and it's easier to do versus having it at a large size. So the slanted H is the exact same as the other H, just on an angle. So light, heavy, light, heavy, light. And that's it for letter H.